What's up, y'all? It's me, Tiktoshh, and welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back, welcome back, welcome back. As y'all can see, I'm in the kitchen, and I'm finna start whipping. I see the steam from the chicken, so you know it's finna be finger licking. Yeah, we are back with another video. Thank you again, Walmart, for the excellent delivery service. Woo! Walmart can save your day. I have not been out the house in 26 days now. Anybody that knows me knows that that is very, very, very not the norm for me. Y'all, I'm suffering by staying in here, but I'm trying to discipline myself from doing unnecessary ripping and running, and I think I need some sunlight. So let's get into this video and cook. All right, y'all, so we finna get into these ingredients. We have 2 eggs. We have some vitamin D milk. We have 2 boxes of the Jiffy Cornbread mix. We also have the Kinders. Yes, the Kinders. The flavor I got was the hickory brown sugar. My daughter said that's which one she got, so we're gonna try that. Of course, you know I'm not going anywhere without my Morton's seasonal. Been using it since I was a jit. Okay, then we got the Bruce's Yams and the Glory Greens. If you want something close to homemade, run down to Walmart or have them deliver you some of this. Yeah. And then we got this big old pan of chicken that has already been boiled so that we can get it, you know, semi-done before it's time to go in. And we're finna get right on into this right now. I'm gonna start by seasoning again the chicken. It was seasoned before it went in. Now we're gonna re-season it. My husband did this part. Now we're just going in and put some more seasoning. Okay, y'all, so there it is. We have the seasoning on the chicken, and we're gonna pop that in the oven and let it do what it do. Okay, y'all, we're about to put the chicken in the oven, and there it is. All right, y'all, I had a little crying moment, but I'm back. And my husband is going to mix this in the blender so that I don't have to do the mixing. So I'm just gonna pour the Jiffy right on in, just like that. Then I'm gonna do the other box as well. And shout out to the people that make cornbread from scratch. I was raised on Jiffy, and my favorite is Jiffy. You know, I've had some good homemade cornbread before, but I still, it's like when you're raised on a certain thing, it's like you just really want to stick to that. But I have recently been trying some new things. We're going to go in with 2 eggs. And I'm not that great of an egg cracker, you guys. I'm not the greatest. I have never been able to ace how to, you know, really crack the egg perfect. There we go. And then we're gonna put a little oil in it. Okay, that's enough. He get carried away with stuff, y'all. Get the sugar. We're gonna put some sugar in it, y'all. Then we're gonna go ahead and get this cornbread mixed up, thrown in the oven. I'm like on a time limit for being out of my room. I've developed this whole thing. Always keep paper towel near to wipe your hands on. Okay, and the sugar, I'm gonna do it, okay? There we go. I'm just gonna do some spoons full, and literally that's it. And there we have it, guys. Let's go ahead and do the mixing. Cut it off. Oh. All right, y'all, before we get started, we gotta put the milk in, and I'm not gonna do too much. We're gonna let it, like I said, I don't know how to judge, nor do I use a measuring cup. So you pretty much just play this by ear. There. Let's start with that, and then we'll put some more, okay? Here we go. Oh, I was finna start to see. I don't know how to do all this machinery. I'm not a kitchen girl. For the greens. And he puts everything back as he goes. Outside of me, baby, I can't budge. Now he's showing off, y'all. Now he's showing off. Y'all, we're making less food because we've been wasting a lot of food and it's just a little bit embarrassing.
All this stuff gotta be stirred up when it's cooking.
Y'all, he needs to come out the cabinet. He almost put ginger in the sweet potatoes, and then he almost put turmeric. Just to be looking for the cinnamon.
No.
That's enough.
No.
Okay, y'all, once again, he's taken over before I can get to film the cornbread and start pouring it in. All right, y'all, when you don't have any aluminum foil, you gotta ad-lib. Or shall I say you have to improvise. Now, all right, y'all, cornbread's going in. All right, y'all, we got the cornbread. All right, y'all, it's almost that time. I don't know why I always have these glasses on when I only need them for reading and seeing stuff. Okay, we got that off. Oh, the aroma, Kinders. This is in California and other places, but it's not in Georgia. All right, y'all, I had to get some help. My arms are tired because I'm a little on the weak side. So, yeah. Make sure you get it all over your chicken because what you want is that barbecue sauce to stick on your chicken, not that watery barbecue. I'm gonna get the other bottle out too. That's why I bought 3 bottles, because I want to make sure that I have enough barbecue sauce on all the chicken. And so we're gonna let that bake right on in. And baby, although we ain't in California, we finna, we finna make it do what it do down here in Georgia. Thank you, Walmart, once again, for having the Kinders. And then we're gonna go ahead and pop that back in. Yeah, that's better. I had to pour some of the liquor off. Not wine or beer or none of that, y'all. All right, y'all, it is the favorite part of the day. It's plating food time. It's plating food time. Oh, I didn't even do. Hold on, y'all. Okay, let's get this food plated so I can go back in my room. All right, we're gonna get that good old chicken on that plate. Look at that, y'all. Ooh, woo, woo, woo. Talking about some barbecue. Talking about some barbecue chicken. Talking about some barbecue chicken. There's nothing like that barbecue. Nothing like that barbecue chicken. You like the. Okay, y'all, it's time to put those greens on. And we're gonna heat the plates back up. Now we got to get the yams out.